I'm in Kyiv! Добрий день, everybody! I decided to start this video with how I got from Poland to Ukraine. Hello, I'm in Warsaw. This is my first stop and I'm going to Ukraine! Yay! In Warsaw, my adventures began. I decided to wash the coffee cup, the dryer, turned on and splashed everything that remained on the bottom. Of course, I cleaned everything up. And then I got on the train and thought, oh, it will be great to eat my lunch. So I opened a can of Coca-Cola and inserted a paper straw, and the volcano erupted. I looked like, oh my god, how to stop it? Thanks God, it was a Diet Coke and everything wasn't sticky. Okay, look at how great my compartment looks like. This is my place in a train to Kyiv. There were two of us in the compartment. For me, crossing the border is always a very nervous event. Only after that I can relax and have dinner. By the way, all windows in the train are covered with the tape. This is in case a rocket explodes, tape will hold the windows and they will not injure passengers. Hello! I'm in Kyiv! If this is our first met, my name is Masha and I'm Ukrainian. After the start of the war, I went to Poland and now I came to Kyiv for a while to meet my family, to meet my cats, to meet my friends. After 24 hours in 3 trains, I still feel the great joy to be here. And in this video I will show you how Ukraine and Ukrainian lives after 6 months of full-scale war. Let's go! I found this promotional brochure yesterday. And I decided to see how much prices have risen in Ukraine over the year. But before we start, I have to warn you that I will compare actual prices with the crossed out price. The first product under my investigation is Jaffa smoothie. It cost 41 hryvnias but began to cost 61 hryvnias. The price had increased by 33%. By the way, the hryvnias has become cheaper this year due to war by 33%. Yay! I found the next product to compare. Nescafe Gold Instant Coffee. It cost 135 hryvnias. Now it costs 185 hryvnias, 22% more expensive. Next we compare croissant. It cost 8.30 and became 14.10. The price went up by 34%. Our next stop is mushrooms. To be honest, I don't remember that mushrooms cost 58 hryvnias last year. They increased in price by 30%. Next, we are looking for a processed cheese. To be honest, I don't know. Do you have one like this? It is something like similar to brie, but less creamy and more elastic and cheap. Well, this cheese last year cost $13.30 and now it costs $14.30. Total, the price went up by 7%. Whoa, what a find! Right there I found Grana Padano cheese, which cost $88.30, but now it costs $155. The price increased by more than half. Whoa, it's huge. Milk went up in price by 28%. Cream rose in price by 22%. That's nice to know. I'm totally adored these eclairs when I was a student. So they rose in price by 17% in total. And our last stop is vareniki. Look, this is the smallest price movement. It is only 2% up. Whoa, this is our winner for today. And this, by the way, is an empty box in which Kherson's watermelons are sold every summer. But this year, Kherson region is under occupation. But it will not be for long. I'm glad to welcome you to the territory of my university. This is one of the places of my heart. This is a hostel for students where I lived. Almost nothing has changed, to be honest. Only this anti-tanks hedgehogs remind me of the war in this place. There should already be crowds of the students, but there is no one. Honestly, this place has never been so empty. Oh look, it started raining right in the middle of the walk. I like this weather, to be honest. But we have to hide. An air alert was announced. What I can tell you, this is Ukrainian everyday life. And after half an hour of that sound, happy to be alive, I continue my walk. Every time I like to get back home because my cats meet me there. It's always very nice. That's how I'll end my video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is my first vlog from series about how Ukraine lives during the war. In the following video, I will show you how lives a little town in the center of Ukraine during the war. Also, this is my hometown, that's why I'll be a little nostalgic. If you're interested in seeing it, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.